It's Saturday at the field. Linda's out here with me. We were going to go to the post office, but the post office is closed at 10. We got there at 11, so out of luck. So we're out here at the field. It's supposed to be like 20-mile-an-hour winds today. Not blowing too bad right now. So I figured I'd get a little Bigfoot flying in. It's a good plane if it's really windy. You see, yeah, it's a little windier above the trees. All the flags on the interstate or the highway were pegged out. It's kind of crabbing into the wind, getting it above the poles. There we go. Go a little vertical. Feel the wind. Yeah, I came over yesterday to mow, but it was windy yesterday. It was in the 20s.
Time remaining 7 minutes. Time of stop. Flaps up.
I mowed the run. The grass didn't need cutting, so I put it on 1.5 and mowed the runway. And it was kind of hard to tell where I was at because Caleb had mowed it with the bush hog, and he got it down cut short. You see the gust hit it. There's a little gust coming through.
Time of start. Time of stop.
There we go.
Time of start.
It's wanting to point into the wind. You can see it's wrapped around there a few times. We got a little bit of wind. I don't know if you can hear there's a skeet range that's not too far away. But my goodness, man, the shooting sound really carries over here. It doesn't bother Tuco much anymore.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Olé! Oh, that was close. Hear somebody running something up there at Caleb's. I don't know if it's his truck. I don't remember his truck sounding that loud.
Time of stop.
Ah, he might have his motorcycle contraption out there. That's what it sounds like.
Time remaining.
Almost sounds like a Harley looping. Loop, 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 loop. Almost. I hate the winds blowing from the west. I hate the gusts coming from behind me. Just because it pokes through the trees at weird speeds. It's like it might not be very strong in one spot and then it'll be real strong in another. Yeah, it's some kind of Harley. Sounds like a Harley. I don't know if it's a Harley, but see if he comes up here. Ooh, man, I pushed a little too far on the rudder there. No, he's going for a ride, whoever it is. That was weird.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
That was complete lack of concentration on that touchdown. You can hear him on the road. Winds are crazy today, that's for sure. There we go. It's a nice landing. Kind of let it roll with the wind. Weird day wind-wise. And I hate, like I said, man. Winds from behind me are tough. It's getting beat around. It's blowing pretty good above the trees. That's probably why it doesn't seem all that windy, because you got the trees blocking it.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Timer stopped. Timer start.
The one's pointing to the wind. It's got a mind of its own. It's got a mind of its own. It's blowing pretty good right now. Flying backwards.
Flaps up.
I was just hovering in the wind there. Oh, the wind is strong. That's good, man. It was going backwards. I couldn't even fly it forward with the flaps full of flaps. Whoa. That was without flaps. It just rode the gust up. Get a landing in here. Crazy wind flight. Yeah, I can see why nobody wants to fly today. Because the winds weren't bad when we first got here. We were playing with Tuco, and then
Timer stopped.
there we go. Woo!
Timer start.
See if it'll blow it over. It doesn't want to turn. It just wants to go into the wind, man. We didn't want to turn. It doesn't want to turn. There we go. I'll see if I can pull it, taxi it down this way. Nope, it's going right back into the wind. There you have it. It's blowing pretty good right now. And it's coming from like over here. Over here. So naturally, through this gap up here, we get a strong wind. Well, there you have it, man. Messing around with Bigfoot. With gusts into the high teens. Having fun. Out at the field. Tuco going for a run. Linda, Jeff, and Bigfoot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, become part of Team Let's Go Flying.